सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 506। रविर्यथा कर्मणि साक्षिभावः वह्नेर्यथा दाहनियामकत्वम् रज्जोर्यथारोपितवस्तु संगः तथैव कूटस्थचिदात्मनो मे। The student, having received the teaching expressing his feelings or ananda, in this manner the same expression or ananda of that Jnani student will be a nididhyasanam for another would-be Jnani. Would-be Jnani means going to become a Jnani. For him, the Swanubhava of the previous student who became Jnani will become nididhyasanam to this sadhaka. That would be Jnani. What he says, that means it is like a nididhyasanam. For this person it is like a nididhyasanam. Yatha karmani ravehe sakshi bhavaha. Ravehe means of that sun. Ravi means sun. Suryaha. Ravehe. Of that or for that sun, Ravehe, of that Suryaha. Karmani means in actions. In any action, whatever is going in front of the sunlight, for that sun, what bhava is having towards these actions? Only Sakshi bhava, witnesser. That's all. Witnessing. Never involved in our actions. He never involved in our actions. In spite of we are doing our actions because of that sunlight. The sunlight is having what bhava? Sakshi bhava. Just as you see anybody is going on the road or some fighting is going on, something, you look at them as a witnesser. That's why in court and all they call eyewitness. Eyewitness is one who is not involved in that incident. It's called eyewitness. He is not involved in either side. So he just watch them. In front of this person, both are fighting. Ivar vandu sakshi. The court sakshi anna and sakshi gnapakam vechukonga. Ivar sakshi anna artham, this person is not involved in artham. Avanada sakshime solla mudiyum. In an involved person will never give right saksham. Similarly, the sun is the sakshi, untouched by this any action. Karmani sakshi bhavaha. only witness attitude. Similarly, this is one example. Vannehe yatha vannehe daha niyamakatvam. Dahya dahaka. Really, fire does not do anything. Dahya dahaka means the burning nature of the fire. Burning is an action. Of that fire, it never do that burning action willfully. Today I have to burn this. I have to burn this. Fire will never plan. And fire will never think I have to burn this. Why? It is its swabhava. So dahya dahaka means it is its nature. In the presence of fire, everything will burn, get burnt. Dahya dahaka bhava niyamakatvam. That called samarthyam. Niyamakatvam means having the capacity to burn the objects. Vanhi means, therefore we can never see cold fire. Can you get any cold fire? Hot ice cream madri. Can you get hot ice cream? When it is hot, you cannot call it as ice cream. When it is ice cream, it can never be hot. Like that, fire also, cold fire angiradhu kadiyadu. Fire annale hot da. Similarly, Rajjoho yatha aropita vastu sangaha. Just as Rajjoho, upon the rope, aropita vastu. What is aropita vastu upon the rope? Snake. Our snake. Okay, not snake park snake. Snake park snake is real. You have to be careful. After going to snake park, summer holidays, number rope snake Swamini is gone talking. This is a false snake. Then you can't go. Jagrathaya. So our rope snake and apopo cholinde irpenana. Aropita means superimposed. A snake which is superimposed, aropita means superimposed upon the vastu. Vastu means snake. That snake which is superimposed upon the rope. What does relation it is having? Tell me now. And the rope ki, in the aropita snake ki, enna relation? Mamiyar marumagala. Sambandisa, enna sambandham irukkum. What relation can you talk? I have superimposed the snake upon the rope. What relation you can talk? You cannot talk any relation because there is no snake at all. Similarly, same way, tadha. So, yatha, yatha, mood line lo vandade. Just as for 3 examples. Now, tadha, like that. Yatha, tatha, correlative. Tatha. Just as, same way, kutastha chidatmanaha me. Kutastha chidatmanaha. I am the kutastha. Kutastha means that which is firm, steady. Kutastham. Kutastha. What is my name? Chidatma. Chid eva atma. Chit means consciousness. Consciousness alone is Atma Swarupam. Chidatma, Chidatmanaha, of that Atma Swarupam, whose nature is consciousness. Main. Now, upon me, what relation it can have? Kutastha Chidatmani, Chidatmanaha me, for me, upon me or to me. Me means to me, mama me. To me, who is the Kutastha Chidatma? What can be superimposed? Whatever superimposed is mithya. So the snake which is superimposed upon the rope, which is unreal, the snake is existent because of what? Rope only, adhishtanam. Similarly, the Kutastha Atma, I, the consciousness, is the substratum for this whole Nama Rupa Prapancha. Kutastha Atma, Aham, Adhishtanam, without me, the Nama Rupa cannot exist. Without the rope, snake cannot exist. False snake cannot exist. That is why every unreal thing must have an Adhishtanam. Just as the shadow can never exist without your real original person. Shadow can never exist. Any unreal thing can never exist without Adhishtanam. Another interesting point. Mirage water can never exist without the sand, without that land. Dry land, without that a mirage water can never exist. Without the rope, and the false snake can never exist. Without you, the shadow can never exist. That means that for every unreal object, there must be a real adhishtanam substratum. So therefore, for this body, mind which is unreal, I am telling, this unreal body mind complex must have the real substratum. That Chidatma, Kutastha Chidatma, Aham is the adhishtanam for this body mind complex. Adhishtanam vina adhyasam na sambhavati. Adhishtanam vina adhyasam na sambhavati. Rajjum vina sarpaha bhrantihi na udeti. Without rope, how the sarpa bhranti can take place? So the rope must be there to get sarpa bhranti. Similarly, to get this deha bhranti, mano bhranti, antakarana bhranti, there must be a substratum. What is that? Aham, Chidatma, Kutastha Atma is the substratum. Now it is your job whether to claim that Kutastha Chidatmava நான் இல்லை, அது மேல் அத்தியாசம் பண்ணி இருக்கிற பாடி மனசு நான், எது வேணுமோ நீங்கள் சொல்லுங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் அழகாக சொன்னேன். Rope is the adhishtanam, one is the adhishtanam, that burning is that adhishtanam is who? Fire is the adhishtanam. So sun is the adhishtanam for the actions done by the people, for the whole world is illuminated by the sun, adhishtanam. Adhishtanam vina, nothing will take place. Similarly, in the body, mind, there must be an adhishtanam. That adhishtanam is my real nature. So, unreal body, mind, which is adhyasam, adhyasa must have adhishtanam. Adhyasam real or adhishtanam real? Adhishtanam alone is real. So, real adhishtanam you want to claim, or unreal adhyasa deha shariram, manas you want to own up. Tell me. அன்ரியலான பொய்யான உடம்பு மனசு நான் சொல்லுறதுக்கு விருப்பமா, அது இருக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு அதிஷ்டானமா இருக்கின்ற அந்த கூட்டஸ்த ஆத்மா நான் சொல்லுறதுக்கு விருப்பமா? ஓட்டு. இப்போ இந்த 2 பாக்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன். ரெண்டு பார்ட்டி. வாட் ஆர் த 2 பார்ட்டிஸ்? என்ன அத்தியாசமான பொய்யான ஒரு உடம்பு மனசு ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல. இது இருக்கிறதுக்கு இதனுடைய தன்மை இருக்கிற தன்மையே இதனாலதான் கூட்டஸ்த ஆத்மா. இந்த கூட்டஸ்த ஆத்மா வந்து ஒரு பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்க. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டுல எதுக்கு ஓட்டு போட போறேன்? கூட்டஸ்த ஆத்மாவுக்கு தான் போடணும். ஏன்னா இந்த உடம்பு மனசு இருக்கவே முடியாது கூட்டஸ்த ஆத்மா இல்லைன்னா. ஸோ அன்ரியல் ஆனது யாருமே ஓனப் பண்றதுக்கு இஷ்டப்பட மாட்டா. ஃபேக் இது யூ வாண்ட், ஒரிஜினல் யூ வாண்ட், ஃபேக் ஒன் யூ வாண்ட். ஜெராக்ஸ் காப்பி வேணுமா, ஒரிஜினல் வேணுமா? ஸோ எவ்ரி பாடி மைண்ட் இஸ் எ ஜெராக்ஸ் காப்பி. Original has got its own value. So original is Kutastha Atma Ahamasmi. Upon me only everything is superimposed. Next shloka. Shloka number 507. कर्तापि वा कारयितापि नाहम् भोक्तापि वा भोजयितापि नाहम् द्रष्टापि वा दर्शयितापि नाहम् सोहम स्वयं ज्योतिरनिदृगात्मा So to know I am Asanga Atma, one should have Sangha with a Guru. Satvika Sangha is called Guru. Satsangatve nissangatvam. Have an attachment with the Guru. Attachment means Satvika Sangha. For what? Why I have to attach to my Guru? To know my detached nature. Attach to a Guru to own up your detachment, detached Atma Swarupam. Asanga Atma, to know my nature as Asangaha, I have to keep a Sangha with my Guru who will teach me this Asanga Atma Swarupam. So the shloka tells, the student continuing, Kartapi va karayitapi va na aham. Aham, I am, na, I am not. What? I am not. I am not the karta. I am not the doer. That means I am not a jiva also. As a jiva only I am the doer. Karayita means Ishvara, the one who is the instigator. Ishvara only making everything. Even I am not the Ishvara also. Karayita means making others to perform. I am the cause for the action to make by others, to perform by others. Panda vekkiradu. Kartana naan pandrathu. Karayitana panda vekkiradu. Idu pannu adu pannu. அப்படிதான் ஈஸ்வரன் பண்றாரு. நம்ம கர்மாக்கள் எல்லாம் வச்சுட்டு இது பண்ணு அது பண்ணுன்னு he is doing. So here Ishvaranu kuda eduthukalam. Karayita. From Ishvara standpoint also, Ishvara is also not Karta, not Karayita also. He is not the doer, or is indirectly. Doer means directly doer. If I make others to perform, indirectly I am the doer. I am neither directly doer or indirectly doer. Karayitana indirectly instigator anartham. Neither. Similarly, bhokta api na aham, bhojayita api na aham. Neither enjoyer, bhokta means enjoyer. I am neither experiencer or enjoyer, nor enjoyer making others to enjoy is also bhojayita. Making others to enjoy, that also I am not. Then third one, drashta api na aham, darshayita api na aham. I am neither seer nor making other to see. I am not the cause to make others to see. Drashta means a seer. That is why seerhood also is not real. Seerhood is stand from the standpoint of the seen object. So once the seen object is falsified, where is the question of seerhood? So seerhood also is not there. Even darshayita, making others to see, also is not me. Then who am I? I am not the doer, I am not the indirectly doer, I am not the enjoyer, I am not the bhojayita, making others to enjoy, I am not the seer. Then who am I? What am I? Useless. No. You are wonderful, beautiful, amazing. Saha aham swayam jyotihi. Self-illumining. Swayam means self-illumining. Jyoti means illuminator. I am self-evident, self-illumining. Swayam jyotihi. Saha, that Paramatma, aham, I am. Saha, aham. Soham. Yesterday one boy was asking in my class, Swamini, appo meditation lo soham ani pandrome japam. The soham japam, what is that soham japa anna? You see, you have to do soham japa, contemplation upon soham. You have to study minimum 7 years, 8 years. What? Scriptures. Saha aham ani solradhukke, it's not a lip movement. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, not japa. This is even to say Om Namah Shivaya, the japa also, bhavana, the attitude, you must understand who is Ishvara, what is Ishvara. Ishvara jnanam vina, Ishvara dhyanam katham kartum shakyate. The 12th chapter I was talking in one class, beautifully the Shastra Krishna tells, how can you meditate upon a God about whom you do not know anything? How can I meditate upon a certain object, something which I do not know? Just as I think about an object which is in the shop which I do not know. They give advertisement, hoardings and all, you see the object and run to the shop. How you go to the shop? Because I saw on the board, I saw in the paper. Therefore I want to buy this object, that's why I am doing dhyanam. Vishaya dhyanam, vastu dhyanam, and rush to the shop and buy. Without seeing either in the paper or on the wall poster. Can you go to a shop? Can you imagine an object in the shop to buy? Before going to shop, you must know about that object, what you want. Adi madri, Ishvara dhyanam pannanamanna kuda, and the Ishvara jnanam irkanam. What is Ishvara? What do you mean by Ishvara? God. That knowledge must be there. Similarly, adivandi sagunam. Yes, saha aham, that Brahman I am, dhyanam, how can you do without knowing who is saha? Saha, who is that foolish fellow or idiot somebody? I do not know. Saha means that. That means pronoun. Pronoun can communicate anything. Who is that? What is that? That enna ennamo irukku, road la nariya point irukku. So that you should know. To know that you require 8 years minimum class. Appada soham is meaningful. Until that time it is lip movement, lip service. That dhyana will never help you. It may give chitta shuddhi, but it will never remove your ignorance. So soham dhyanam nariya per teach pandra. This student is telling saha aham after studying 500 verses. Varsha kanakla 1.5 year ayadda mele. Saha aham, you can say that Brahman kutastha atma aham asmi. Who is that? He knows that swayam jyotihi, self-luminous, not depending on anything for its illumination. Another word he uses, see, beautiful word. Idrik na idrik atma. Swayam jyotihi na idrik atma. Who is this Swayam Jyotihi? Na idrikanu per vechita. Idrikana ippadi irukke artham. Like this, idrik. Atma is that which is matchless, comparisonless. There is no second thing to compare with Atma. Atma eppadi irukkum theriyuma? Ippadi irukkum anu solla mudiyuma? Ippadi irukkum anu solradhukku ippadi irukkற ஒரு பொருள் வேணுமே. ஆத்மா மாதிரி இருக்கிற பொருள் கிடையவே கிடையாது. ந ஈத்ருக்கு, அதான் மீனிங். ஆத்மா இஸ் அனீத்ருக்கு. See, swayam jyotihi, repam will become visarga. Ranidruk, rakara will become visarga. Swayam jyotihi plus anidruk. Anidruk means it is unlike any object. It is like any object sollakudadu. It is unlike any object. Unlike any object. Idrik means like. It is like this. Like this and comparison சொல்றதுக்கு வேற பொருளே கிடையாது. ஆத்மா தான் இருக்கு எல்லாமே. There is no second object. Therefore anidrik, atma, matchless atma, swayam jyotihi atma, anidrik atma. Who? Aham. Saha atma aham. Soham. Mahavakyam. This is Mahavakya. Next sentence, next mantra, shloka 508. Chalatyupadhau pratibimbalaulyam aupadhikam mudhadhiyo nayanti स्वबिम्बभूतं रविवद्विनिष्क्रियम् कर्तास्मि भोक्तास्मि हतोस्मि हेति. The student is telling, I am the doer, I am the enjoyer, I am the experiencer, and I am killed. Hata. Hata na simple, some problem comes also we say, no? Mar gaya. Hindi mein bolta hai na? Mar gaya. Na? Not really dead. And the situation apadi thonu. Tamil enna solluvan sonna. No? Generally we use, we don't like to say, but whenever the trouble comes, that word we use generally. Okay, நம்ம ஹிந்தில கரெக்டா வந்தது யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். அதர் லாங்குவேஜஸ் நீங்க பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஹதா அஸ்மி. அஸ்மி means aham asmi. What? Karta asmi, bhokta asmi. I am the doer, I am the enjoyer. When he says, because of what he says, நான் அஸ்மி, நான் இருக்கேன், நான் கர்த்தாவா இருக்கேன், நான் போக்தாவா இருக்கேன், அஸ்மி, I am. ஏன் சொல்றான்னா, the reason he says, chalati upadhau, upadhi means body, and mind, antahkaranam, chalati, when it moves, Chalati upadhau. In Jagrata Avastha, when body is moving, mind is activated. Pratibimba laulyam. Laulyam means chalanam. Pratibimba means ahankara, reflected consciousness. Here upadhi means you can take it as sthula shariram. And Pratibimba means you can take reflected consciousness, chidabhasa, antahkaranam. Laulyam, chalanam of this pratibimba, chalanam of this upadhi, sthula shariram and sukshma shariram. Pratibimba and sukshma shariram, full put together. Manaso, buddhi, chitta, ahankara put together, sukshma shariram, antahkaranam. Aupadhikam. Aupadhikam means only because of localization, confined, conditioned. Who is conditioned? For whom it is? Mudhadhi, mudhadhiyaha. Whose intellect is deluded. Mudha means delusion. Dhiyaha means intellect. Whose intellect is deluded, taking the actions of this upadhi. Otherwise person only do. Who is that otherwise person? Mudhadhiyaha. Who is not studying Viveka Chudamani? Sholala milyo. Tappille. Whoever study, only they can understand. Whoever is not studying, they cannot understand. Mudhadhiyaha means the one who is not exposed to Shastra. What he does, what she does, the actions of the body, actions of the mind, antakaranam, allot to or superimposed to the Atma Swarupam. That's what he says. Mudhadiyaha nayanti. Nayanti means he take to. All these actions he take to superimposed. Just as when you see the rope snake, and the snake, all lakshanams you superimpose on what? Upon the rope. Really all lakshanams belongs whom? Rope gida. But you see from that rope snake angle. That's why the snake madri irukum. Samanya jnanam, vishesha jnanam. In the rundu jnanam. Samanya jnanam is there is rope. But that is rope angra vishesha jnanam I missed. Samanya jnanam and the general knowledge is there is something. But there is something that is rope angra vishesha jnanam illa. And the vishesha jnanam rope angra edathila enna irukku? Snake annadu irukku. So samanya jnanam and that there is easiness is samanya jnanam. There is rope angradu அது ஸ்னேகா ரோப்பா என்ற விசேஷ ஞானம் தகராறு. நான் இருக்கேன் சாமானிய ஞானம். ஐ ஆம் எல்லாருமே சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ? ஐ ஆம் இதுல ஏதாவது டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கா? நான் இருக்கேன் அது சாமானிய ஞானம். நான் எப்படி இருக்கேன் அங்கிறது அங்க விசேஷம், விசேஷ ஞானம். நான் இந்த அசட்டு தந்த உடம்பு இருக்கேன் அங்கிறது விசேஷ ஞானம். தப்பா புரிஞ்சுக்கிறேன் அர்த்தம். ஐ ஆம் சேட் ஃபெலோ தப்பா புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் விசேஷ ஞானம், ராங் விசேஷ ஞானம். என்ன விசேஷ ஞானம் இருக்கணும் இங்கே? நான் இருக்கேன், ஆத்மா ஸ்வரூபமா இருக்கேன்ங்கிறது ரைட் நாலேஜ். நான் இருக்கேன், அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சொல்லணும்? நான் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபமா இருக்கேன், அதுதான் ரைட் நாலேஜ். நான் 75 kgs உடம்பா இருக்கேன் ராங் நாலேஜ். I am with full of doubts and confusions mind and wrong knowledge. சாமானிய ஞானம் எல்லாருக்குமே ஒண்ணுதான். பட் விசேஷ ஞானம்ல ஞானிக்கு கரெக்ட் நாலேஜ் இருக்கு, அஜ்ஞானிக்கு எரோனியஸ் நாலேஜ் இருக்கு. கிளியர்? எரோனியஸ் perception. So therefore third line you see swabimba bhutam ravivat vinishkriyam. So swabimba bhutam, actually pratibimba is depending on whom? Bimbam. Surya bimbam is the one which gives the pratibimba in the water. He gives example here. Ravivat, Vinish, Ravi, Surya, just as the Ravi, bimbam, original bimbam, reflecting in the water. Once reflecting in the water, who is original? Bimbam is original. இப்போ இதில் pot is there, potல water is there. இந்த வாட்டருக்குள்ள you keep the water exactly to the sunlight, and the Surya bimbam will reflect here. Pratibimba, Surya Pratibimam. Surya Pratibimam, but where is the original? Bimbam up above. So this Surya Pratibimam, what is happening? It is moving. When the wind comes, this water moves in the pot. When the water is moving in the pot, and the Surya Pratibimam move ஆகுமா ஆகாதா? ஆகும். Can you say பாபம் சூரியன் ஆடிண்டே இருக்காருன்னா? இந்த சூரியனுடைய ஆட்டம் எதனால? வாட்டர் மூலமா. And the wind is the cause, for the water is the upadhi for the pratibimam to move. But really speaking, bimba suryaha nishkriyaha, vinishkriyaha. Have you seen that? Sun is moving, violently moving. If water is moving, he moves, pratibimba moves. But when he is pratibimba moving, but really bimba suryaha, no chalanam, vinishkriyaha. Similarly, I, the bimba chaitanyam, atma swarupam, reflecting in this body, pratibimba chaitanyam, and the pratibimba chaitanyam angrade RC, antakaranam, manasu, buddhi, ahankaram, aadinde irukkum, fluctuating. But that fluctuations are belong to bimba chaitanyam or pratibimba chaitanyam? Pratibimba chaitanyam. Appo pratibimba chaitanyam fluctuations are belong to bimba chaitanyam or pratibimba chaitanyam? Pratibimba chaitanyam. How can it belong to bimba chaitanyam? Bimba chaitanyam aham asmi nishkriyaha. Who is kriyaha? Kriyavan? Pratibimba chaitanyam. பொய்யான பிரதிபிம்பம் சைத்தன்யத்தினுடைய வேலை எல்லாம் இந்த உடம்புங்கிறது பாட்டு. ஓகே, இந்த பாட்டுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? பிரதிபிம்ப சைத்தன்யம் ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங். மைண்டுங்கிற வாட்டர் இருக்கு. அந்த மைண்டில் சைத்தன்யம் இஸ் ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங். அந்த மனசுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற ஆல் ஃப்ளக்சுவேஷன், ரஜோகுணா, தமோகுணா, சத்வகுணா ஃப்ளக்சுவேஷன்ஸ் ஆல் ஆர் ஆல்சோ சேஞ்சிங் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் பிரதிபிம்பம் Chaitanyam. And the Pratibimba Chaitanyam gradations, fluctuations are belong to Pratibimbam or Bimbam? Bimbam. If you take Pratibimbam as yourself, Vakupatta, avada, you have to pay the price. No, these fluctuations, ahankara, I am not. Mano buddhya ahankara chittani naham. Appo naan yaru? Chidananda rupas Shivoham Shivoham. Appadi sollano. Chonna cent% marks. Sollale in the Pratibimbathinude, if you take, we have to pay the price. Struggle. Life is a struggle. If you own a Bimba Chaitanyam, life is jolly, jolly. Otherwise, that is merry go round. This is sorry go round. Sorry go round. Therefore, careful. Swabimba bhutam ravivad vinishkriyam. Kartasmi, bhoktasmi, hatasmi. Alas, ha iti. Ayo anartham. Ha iti. Thus this person is worried. Aham karta and kimahagum sadhuna karavam. Yena nalla karyangalella pandale. Kimahagum papama karavam iti. Yen tappu karyangalella pannite. Inna papam vara poradhu. Kujagraham, Rahugraham, Andagraham, Indagraham, Suttindirke. Kashtangal. vidavadu. Lot of problems. Next shloka. He is giving lot of examples. So therefore the motion or movement of the reflection, they transfer to original. That is the mistake we do. The movement, the motion of the reflection, reflected consciousness, we superimpose to the original. Original never touched by anything. Jale vapi sthale vapi luఠत्येष जडात्मकः नाहं विलिप्ये तद्धर्मैः घटधर्मोर्नभो यथा. From ahankara standpoint or anatma standpoint, there is no freedom at all. Ahankara is never free, Atma is ever free. So therefore from ahankara standpoint, there is no freedom problem. Problem irundunde irukum. From which standpoint? Ahankara standpoint. From ahankara standpoint, never ask problemless life. Ahankaram anu chonnale problem da. As long as you use this body, mind complex, problems irundunde irukum. There are no problems from Atma standpoint. So therefore, a wise person knows to see at this ahankara in the problems, irukatume, irindi pogatume, he will never be affected by that. And the Shakti varano namakku. Ahankaram poi ani nenakkanum, falsify pannanum, mithyatva nischayam vandadukku appuram, and the ahankara nadakkara vela ella actions, all the whole drama must be seen by me, untouched by me. Appadi. Not so easy. Jale vapi sthale vapi luఠत्येष जडात्मकः. Jale means in the water. Sthale in any place, any land. This body, jadatmakaham, jada means inert, insentient matter. Jadatmakaha, this inert body, whether it moves in waters, whether it moves on the land, let it move. Aham na vilipye. Let it roll. Luఠati anna. Let it roll. Let it move anna. Luఠati anna. Let it roll. I will not touched by the water. I will not touched by the dirt. Naham vilipye. I will not touched by anything. Nothing can. I am anointed. Not ointment enna theriyumilla. Ointment enna smearing, apply pandrathu. So anointed. Tadharmaihi. Tadharmaihi means the water. And the water nude dharmangal and the earth, whatever dharmas, attached to what? Body, mind only, not to the Atma. Just as he gives the example. Tadharma ghata dharma nabho yatha. The ghata dharma irukkallayum, in the nature of the cot. This is a dirty part. Dirty part or any part. It will not affect, the space will not be affected by the gunas, attributes of the pot. Eppadiya irukattum. And the space is untouched. Nabhaha means space. Akasha. Ghata dharma nabhaha. So ghatakasha, jalakasha. Upon this point, no, Panchadashi, Vidyaranya, revel like anything. Wonderful topic. ஜலாகாஷ கட்டாகாஷ. இதை இப்போ கட்டன்ல கட ஆகாசம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? கட ஆகாஷம், ஸ்பேஸ் இஸ் தேர் இன் திஸ். இந்த ஸ்பேஸ்ல வாட்டர் ஆல்சோ இஸ் தேர். ஓகே, very interesting. I used to struggle for this topic, no? I heard from Swamiji many times, number of times. Very interesting and mind-boggling subject இது. இதுக்குள்ள ஆகாசம் இருக்கு. Then you pour water, the space reflection is there. Sky reflection, ஆகாஷ. You can see the stars, you can see everything in the water. அது ஜல ஆகாஷ. பாட்டுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆகாசம் இருக்கு, ஜலத்துக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆகாசம் இருக்கு. when you are seeing அந்த ஜல ஆகாஷ கட ஆகாஷ, all this whatever that impure water என்ன ஆகட்டும், இந்த பாட்டுடைய தர்மங்கள் எல்லாமே are untouched the ஆகாஷ. they will not touch the ஆகாஷ. மாதிரி இந்த கட்டம் பாடி கட்டம், அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு சைத்தன்யம், அந்த சைத்தன்யத்துக்குள்ள ஒரு மைண்டு ஜலம் மாதிரி, அந்த மைண்டுக்குள்ள ஒரு சிதாபாசம். இப்போ என்ன பண்றது சிதாபாசம்? இட் borrowed the consciousness from the original and lending the sentiency to the body, and this body is activating body, mind and consciousness. The consciousness மூலமா இந்த body is functioning, but its space is untouched. Whatever is happening to the part, space will not bother. Space will not bother Swamini, but I bother. I bother, and I the problem. In the I reflected consciousness enna bother da. OC enna no bother. அதுதான் ஓசி ஓசி ஓசின்னு சொல்ல. ஓசி என்ன சும்மா கிடையாது ஓசி. ஓகே, நாகம் விலிப்பியே, நாகம் விலிப்பியே தர்மைஹி மீன்ஸ் கட தர்மை. தர்மை மீன்ஸ் शरीर धर्मम मनोधर्मम. यथा घट धर्म नभः, घट धर्मैहि, by the attributes of the part will not affect the space. Similarly, this body attributes, mind attributes will not affect me, the consciousness. Next shloka. Kartrutva bhoktrutva khalatva mattatam जडत्व बद्धत्व विमुक्ततादयः, जडत्व बद्धत्व विमुक्ततादयः बुद्धेर्विकल्पा न तु सन्ति वस्तुतः. स्वस्मिन् परे ब्रह्मणि केवले द्वये. So when Atma Jnanam Suryaha arise, so Surya is compared to Atma. Atma Jnana Suryaha arise, all our words which we have uttered from the standpoint of Ahankara, all will become meaningless, petty talks. All become the petty talks, useless talks. சிரிப்பே வரும். என்ன பேசிட்டோம் அகங்க திருஷ்டியா. once you have falsified, அந்த ஆத்ம ஞான arise from Ahankara standpoint, they're all real. You come to Atma Jnanam, இந்த அகங்காரம், அந்த அகங்காரத்தினுடைய வாக்கு பேச்சு எல்லாமே மௌன வியாக்கியா, அவ்வளோதான். ஒன்றும் பேச. இந்த அளவுக்கு நானுக்கு கோபம் வந்தது, இப்படிதான் பேசிட்டேன் நான், அகங்காரம் வச்சுன்னு. அகங்காரம் போய் அந்த அகங்காரம் மூலமா வைக்கிறதெல்லாம் பேசுறதெல்லாம் பொய் தான். எப்போ வருது என்ன பேசுனதுக்கு அப்புறம் இங்கே ஞாபகம் வருது. I says, look into the shloka. That's why cognitive change is important here. Understand? Kartrutva, bhoktrutva, khalatva, mattata. Kartrutvam, doership. Tvam and hood or doership. Kartrutvam. Bhoktrutvam, experiencerhood or enjoyership. Khalatvam. Khalatvam means I am a bad person. That badness, okay, belong to me, like that. Matta. Mattata means prideness. I have pride. Jadatvam, I am inert. Baddhatvam, I am bound. Vimuktatvam, vimukta adayah. Vimuktatvam, I am released. I am free. All these are புத்தே விகல்பாக. இது எல்லாமே புத்தினுடைய விகல்பங்கள். நிஜமா கர்த்தாவும் இல்லை, போக்தாவும் இல்லை. நான் ஐ ஹவ் நோ ப்ரைட், ஐ ஹவ் நோ ஜடத்வம், ஐ ஹவ் நோ பத்ததா, ஐ எம் நாட் பவுண்ட். நானும் தானே ரிலீஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கு. தேர்ஃபோர் மோகங்கிறது கூட கிடையாது ஆக்சுவலாக. சப்போஸ் இஃப் ஐ சே ஐ பிகேம் முக்தஹா அண்ணா, ஐ வாஸ் பவுண்ட் ஆயிடும். ஐ வாஸ் பவுண்ட், நவ் ஐ எம் முக்தஹா. ஐ எம் நாட் ஏ முக்தஹா பிகாஸ் ஐ எம் நாட் ஏ பத்தஹா. எப்போ வரும் இது? என்ன முக்தன் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வரும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு ரன் ஃபார் எ திங் டு நோ தெர் இஸ் நோ நெசசிட்டி ஃபார் ரன்னிங். லைக் கண்டசாமீகர நியாயம் மாதிரி. கண்டசாமீகர நியாயம் ஸ்மால் மைனர் செயின் கழுத்தில் போட்டுட்டு அண்ட் தட் செயின் ஹாஸ் கான் பேக். அந்த கழுத்தில் இருக்கிறதேன்னு தெரியல, இல்லை. அண்ட் searching here and there, running here and there. Somewhere she went for a function and went there also searching for that. And after coming back and stood in front of the mirror, பார்த்தா கழுத்தில் இருக்க செயின். இப்போ அந்த ரன்னிங் தேவையா வேண்டாமான்னா தேவைதான். தேவை இல்லை, ரன்னிங் தேவை இல்லைன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக அது தேவை. அது மாதிரி ரன்னிங் இஸ் நாட் நெசசரி. ஆக்சுவலி ரன்னிங் இஸ் நெசசரி டு நோ தட் ரன்னிங் நாட் நெசசரி. அது மாதிரி ஐ ஹாவ் டு கோ டு கிளாஸ், வேதாந்த கிளாஸ், டு கெட் வாட்? முக்தி. Swamini is going to give moksha. So we have to get mukti, moksha. After coming to class, what we understand? What is the cognitive change? I need not go to class to get mukti because I was muktaha. I am muktaha. I ever will be muktaha. Siddha swarupam aham atma ever mukta swarupam. Nanu baddhana irken சொல்லி வந்துட்டோம். பத்தன் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் தெரிஞ்சது. எப்படி தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா காக்னிட்டிவ் சேஞ்ச். நத்திங் ஹேப்பன். அப்ளிகேட் வெயிட்டு ஹைட்டு எல்லாமே அப்படிதான் இருக்கு. பட் சம்திங் ஹேப்பன். அந்த காக்னிட்டிவ் சேஞ்ச். புத்தேஹே விகல்பாக. அந்த புத்தி இப்போ என்ன ராங் காக்னிஷன் போய் ரைட் காக்னிஷன் ஹேஸ் கம். நது சந்தி வஸ்துதஹ. ரியல்லி ஸ்பீக்கிங், vastutaha means really speaking, from the standpoint of atma, means rahu dasha, ketu dasha, all these are yarukappa in the vadambaki siki ellathikume. Therefore that one lady complained about her husband. Enna, my husband is always beating me and complaint பண்ணிட்டான். Lawyer asked her husband, are you beating her every day? He said no. Are you beating again? He asked. Are you beating her again every day? No, I am not beating at all, husband says to the lawyer. And lawyer said, okay, tomorrow onwards don't beat her. Then he said okay. Husband said okay. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? beating her. அது மாதிரி like that, if I am liberated అని சொன்ன என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐ பவுண்ட் அர்த்தம். ஆர் யூ லிபரேட்டட் అని கேட்டால் என்ன சொல்லணும்? சொல்லக்கூடாது, ஒன்றுமே பேசக்கூடாது. ஐ ஆம் லிபரேட்டட் అని சொன்ன என்ன அர்த்தம்? லிபரேட்டட் అని சொன்ன புரியல சாஸ்திரம். There is no need of liberation, Swamini. I have understood. I am ever liberated Atma Swarupam. அப்படி சொல்லணும். We are all liberated because of you, Swamini. சொன்னா அந்த சுவாமினி தலை பிடிச்சிக்க வேண்டியதுதான். என்ன பண்றது? We are all liberated because of you. என்ன அர்த்தம்? புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு. So, student understand, I am ever liberated Atma Swarupam. There is no question of liberation. That's the meaning. So, freedom from that notion, I am liberated. I am going to be liberated. I am going to get mukti. And the notion and the vellila vada mukti. That's moksham. Wrong notion, wrong perception, wrong cognition, erroneous perception undi and buddhini vellila kondu varandradha right cognition taking place in the intellect is called moksha. As though moksha. It is not a moksha at all. It is called liberation. What is liberation now? Tell me. Change in your perspective. Perspective change or cognitive change alone is called moksha invertamas. Okay, figuratively we call it as moksha. இது புரியறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆகும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. மோட்சம் மோட்சம் என்னென்னமோ நினைக்கிறான் எல்லாருமே. இப்படி இவ்வளவுதானே சுவாமினி, அப்படியே சப்புன்னு இருக்கேன்னா அப்படிதான் இருக்கும்னா. That's why they want something, கடபட கடபட சவுண்ட் இருக்கணும். So therefore freedom from that notion, notional, the cognitive transformation is called, figuratively called moksha. Next shloka. This meter is a Vishama meter. We can read just like a prose. Santu vikaraha prakritehe dashadha shatadha sahasradha vapi kim me asangachita tairna ghana kvachidambaram sprushati tairna ghana kvachidambaram sprushati. Sorry, I have not given the meaning of the fourth line. Swasmin pare brahmani kevale advaye vastutaha na santi. All jadatvam, kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, mattata, baddhata, muktata, all are not there in me. Swasmin, in me, my own. Pare brahmani, supreme Brahman nature in me. Kevale advaye. Swasmin means in oneself. Param means paramarthikam. Kevalam means without second thing. Tamilam kevalam kadayadu. Here kevalam without second thing. Sajatiya jatiya swagata bheda rahitaha. Advaye means secondless. Upon me all these are not there. Vastutaha paramarthika drishtya they are not there. Now vikaraha kutra santi, then where are there? They are not in me. Brahmani pare brahmani nalla irukka swamini. Mari idella ye irukena. See, santu, let them be there. Vikaraha santu, where? Prakriti, maya prakriti, sattva rajas tamo atmika maya prakriti asti. They are all there. They are bound to be there. How many varieties? Dashadha, 10 number. Patalayo, Shatadha, 100 number. Modifications, changes. Asti, Jayate, Vardhate, Vipranamate, Apakshiyate, Vinashyati. Shatadha, Sahasradha. Irikatam, thousands irikatam, hundreds irikatam, tens irikatam. Doesn't matter. Kim me asanga chitaha taihi. What will happen to me because of them? Taihi, because of those modifications, what will happen to me? Me asangaha, who is unattached, detached. Just as ghanaha kvachit ambaram sprushati. Can these clouds, ghanaha means meghaha, can touch space? It is in the space. Can they touch? dark water bearing clouds na, nothing na, even megha garjana, lightning, thunder, are they affecting the akasha? They all exist and make noise, but they cannot touch the ambaram. அதே மாதிரி இந்த உடம்பு மேக்கிங் நாய்ஸ், டக்கு டக்க ஜாயின்ஸ் எல்லாமே, மனசு சொல்லவே வேண்டாம் பண்ணி இருக்கு. டிப்ரெஷன், அப்ரெஷன், சப்ரெஷன் என்னென்ன மனசுல ஒரு கொந்தளிப்பு, இன்டலெக்சுவல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ், எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம்ஸும் மேக கர்ஜனா இருக்கட்டும். ஆனாலும் நான் ஸ்பேஸ் மாதிரி ஆமா சித் ஸ்வரூபா, நத்திங் வில் எஃபெக்ட் மீ. பரமானந்தம். யாருக்கென்ன புரிந்தானந்தம் புரிட்டால் ஓகே புரியும், நமக்கு கண்டிப்பா புரியும். we are already ஆனந்த ஸ்வரூபா. more in the next class. ஓம் பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரி ஓம்.